Hi, I'm Jack. I'm going to take you around this brand new Volkswagen.
This is the ID.5 Tech, finished in a lovely Moonstone grey paintwork, featuring a 77 kilowatt Pro battery with 174 PS, giving you a range of up to 320 miles as well. Left peace of mind motoring in this vehicle with a Volkswagen 3-year warranty, alongside 12 months roadside assistance as well. Starting at the front of the car, as well as adaptive cruise control, you've also got the fantastic 360 camera system, which I'll show shortly, alongside IQ LED matrix headlights that provide fantastic vision at all times. And inside the car, you get its lovely 19-inch hammer black diamond turned alloy wheels that finish off the exterior perfectly, with power folding and heated wing mirrors to the side, also incorporating the camera lens there, and privacy guards from the B-pillar backwards as well. With a huge amount of boot space available, with split folding seats and also a low-through hatch for any longer items, so plenty of room there for multiple large suitcases, golf clubs or any further luggage. For ease of access, you've also got electric tailgate as well, which you can open with the key fob. Moving to the interior, there's lovely part leather power control seats with the centre armrest and a couple of cup holders. There's also a couple of USB ports in the back there so your rear passengers can charge their devices. At the front of the vehicle, you've got a leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel. Plenty of storage around down the centre there as well, with your centre armrest to keep you nice and comfortable. With full electric adjustment in the seats with memory function as well. You also benefit from head-up displays. You can keep your eyes on the road with the vital driving information there, and a climate windscreen as well, which is perfect for those cold winter mornings. Alongside digital radio and multiple media functions such as your Bluetooth, you'll also benefit from the brilliant App Connect system, giving you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. You can mirror apps directly onto the screen from your smartphone, such as Google Maps, Waze, Spotify and many more. You also have SATA navigation on board as well with spoken instructions. This will also show you charging stations as well. Got the ambient lighting pack on board, there's loads of different colours to choose from depending on your preference. Also preset light themes as well with adjustable brightness. So you've got your park assist with the fantastic 360 camera system. You've got the front and rear parking sensors as well, so you'll have total peace of mind whilst parking. With multiple angles as well, including the rear view wide angle lens. All the latest safety systems on board as well to keep you and the family safe on the road at all times, including city emergency braking and much more. And alongside your dual zone climate control, you also benefit from heated front seats and a heated steering wheel, again perfect for those cold winter mornings. There's also multiple driver modes available. You've got the comfort setting there. Running down the centre of the vehicle, you've got plenty of storage with a couple of cup holders at the front there, with wireless phone charging and a couple more USB ports there as well.
This vehicle comes with 3 years warranty as well as 12 months roadside assistance. For any more information, please give us a call on 01270 864 452 or inquire online now.